Dear user, you have reached your project report dashboard on Finline after completing filling in all your details for the report. To review and edit any information provided by you, you can click on the following buttons below. Once you have opened up a section, the Preview and Download buttons appear in the top left corner. The Preview provides you a soft copy glance into your project report. You could further go back to editing your report by clicking here. To edit the company details section, kindly fill in the relevant information such as your company name, office address, your location, and other details relevant to your company, etc. Select the appropriate option for the purpose of building your report. It could either be applying for a bank loan or making a business plan. You also fill in your firm registration type and your business sector. You can further upload your company logo image file. In case you need to edit the owner's details, you can click on the owner's information right here. If there is more than one founder, you could further click on Add New Owner and fill in the respective information. Once you have filled in all the details, click on Save Changes. In your business profile section, you can add content or edit the data and format it with the given features in the content box for the following sections. You can see them on the drop-down list on the right-hand side here. If you wish to rearrange the order or add or remove any of the parts under the profile section, you can click here on Edit near the pencil tool. This opens the business profile items you need to add or rearrange from the given list. You could also add a section of your choice here and then click Update Section and you will see it appear on the list. Then you can head back to your business profile here and click on Save and Continue. In Assets, you can see the cost of your asset in variable sections. You can edit each of the amounts in the following provided sections. Click on the Edit button for the section you need to edit, and you can also select the depreciation value by clicking on Depreciation right here. In case you need to add more items under a particular section, you could click on the plus button to add another item to the list. After entering the desired details, click on Save Changes. You can also see your total asset information below, where you can change the net investment or edit your own contribution and term loan amount. You could further edit the details for the term loan EMI and make changes for your loan interest and tenure, etc. Then click Save Changes. In the monthly expense details section, you can edit the costs you would incur to run the business, such as rent, salary, and other parts, etc. To add an item under each section, click on the plus sign to enter the details. After making the edits to the particular section, click on Save Changes. In the Sales and Revenue section, you can edit the amount of revenue you generate through sales or any other sources. You can further add more items that will generate revenue by clicking on the Add button here. You can enter the name of the item or service, choose the appropriate option to calculate based on days or months with average estimates, the annual growth percentage, and click on Save. In Term Loan, you can edit your contribution to the investment in percentage or amount in rupees. It displays your term loan amount. If needed, you can click on the Edit tool on Net Investment, which leads you to your assets to make the desired changes and then follow back on the Term Loan section. To edit your term loan EMI, you can click here and make the desired changes for your loan interest and tenure, repayment calculation method, etc. Once you have made the edits, click on Save Changes. Working capital is the operating cost needed to run your business cycle. In this section, you can edit the amounts of your closing stock inventory, credits to pay, working expenses, and other details, etc. In case you need help to understand these terms, you can hover over the question mark next to each of them for an elaborate definition. This shall also include the production cost for work in progress or ready goods under reports for manufacturing sector. All these comprise the total working capital. You can also edit, include subsidies if any, along with interest on working capital loan below. After making the edits, click on Save Changes. In the Settings section, you can make changes to your loan settings such as time for setting up your business, the projection method, the amount drawn by the owner and other such details if any, etc. You could also go to Report Settings to edit the money and title format along with your cover image from the available templates for your project report. After your selection, click on Save Changes. You can add images as an additional feature to upload photos relative to your business profile in their respective sections. All you need to do is drag and drop image files from your computer, or you can click on Browse to search them from your system. Ensure the image files do not exceed 2 MB in size, and the application shall accept files in JPEG and PNG formats only. In the end stage with Annexure, you could edit your conclusions or add any extra notes to the Annexure in this section along with formatting features. Once you have made your changes or additions, click on Save Changes. Here we complete reviewing and editing all the sections for your project report. In case you need assistance through the process, you can chat with our support team by clicking on Chat with Expert button or WhatsApp us on the given number. You can also come back to this project report to make repeated edits or changes even after download, thus making it an extremely convenient and trustworthy project report building process for you. Thank you for choosing Finline.